To take screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G without buttons, you want to go ahead and open up the settings of your device, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down to the advanced features option. Select on the motions and gestures option. Finally, from the bottom you want to make sure that palm swipe to capture is turned on, and at this point you should be able to use your palm, swipe it across your screen of your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G to take a screenshot. It might actually take some time for you to get used to it, but as you can see, mine actually works. Another method to still take a screenshot without buttons is to go over to the control center, tap on the edit button at the top over here, and then scroll all the way down. Go ahead and tap on add a control, then locate the take a screenshot option. You can see mine over here. Go ahead and select it and then tap on the done button, and now we have this screenshot icon. So whenever you need to take a screenshot, you just want to tap on it and the screenshot will automatically be taken. Hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.